A loud humming noise from the front of your Chevy Impala that gets louder as you speed up means your wheel hub bearing has failed. To fix this, you must replace the entire wheel hub assembly, which stops the noise and restores safe steering. First, securely lift the front of the vehicle and remove the wheel to expose the brake components. You need to remove the brake caliper bracket bolts and slide the entire caliper assembly off the rotor. Secure the caliper out of the way with a bungee cord so it does not pull on the brake hose. Next, take off the brake rotor to access the hub assembly. You will need to remove the axle nut in the center. Use a heavy-duty impact wrench or a breaker bar to break this large nut loose. After the nut is off, disconnect the ABS sensor wire routed behind the wheel knuckle. Now, locate the 3 bolts holding the hub assembly to the steering knuckle from the back side. Remove these bolts completely. The old hub might be rusted into place. You can use a slide hammer or carefully tap it with a heavy mallet to break it free. Clean the mounting surface inside the knuckle thoroughly with a wire brush. Slide the new hub assembly into place and feed the new ABS sensor wire through the dust shield. Hand thread the 3 mounting bolts from the back to prevent cross-threading, then torque them to factory specifications. Finally, reinstall the axle nut and tighten it to the correct torquey spec. Reattach your brake rotor and the caliper assembly. Plug in the new ABS sensor wire and mount the wheel. Your Impala will drive quiet and smooth again.